Working on the 2013 Chevy Cruze. I finally got your turbo off. I want you to see what happened. First of all, this two bolts are supposed to come off to release the turbo to get this hose off. There was no hose on there. Second, I lifted it up to check the inside for damage. You can see the cracks right there. Most importantly, there's no turbo. Well, turbo impeller. This is what it looks like on the new one. See, this one has a turbo impeller that spins around to mixes up the unburned gases and the new air and fuel that's entering the chamber to reburn the already burned gases to keep NOx low and create more speed for this particular car. But you can see how everything's all nice and new on this one. But on this one, the impeller's gone. That's where it should be. And the only thing that's bolted to this is the actual exhaust. So that means your impeller is in there. And there it is. Let me try fishing that out. Okay. Hope we can get it. We're gonna have to take it out and flip it upside down. We'll be back for that. Okay, I fished out the impeller, but there is some damage to the catalytic converter. You can see in there. Yeah, it doesn't look good. I mean, this will last a while, but now it's gonna go on the downhill slope because of the impeller falling down there and smashing up some of that honeycomb. I did flip it upside down, got all the dust and broken particles out so that it won't plug up the cat. And now we're gonna wash it up so it's not smoking as we got it turned on. Okay, so we got that out. So the old one has the broken impeller. New one does not. And I wanted to show you, this is the hose you ordered, and good thing we made you buy this, because this is what's left of the hose that was on there. It totally got melted off. And the other side where this is, it's still on the turbo right there, screwed on. So it just totally melted it off. So now I got the tedious task of switching everything from this one to the new one and then start putting it back in. So that's what was damaged on here. I don't know why it got damaged. Could have been lack of oil. It may have something to do a little bit with the oil change that put in the wrong oil. But from what I've seen, it's already been, where's that tube at? On its way out the door because of this tube. This tube, we're gonna have to clean it up real good because look at that. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up real good before we install it. Make sure it has good oil flow. Okay, so that's the end of this video. This is just to let you know why your turbo failed. This is not a tutorial on how to take it out. Just let my client know that why it failed. Alright, thank you so much.